Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to synchronize your account with your iCloud in the Jodel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then here you can see the sync my account button, so just click on that and just click on the white circle to enable the synchronization. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.